Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we get to take a look at a watch from Vescari. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am wearing my Stratton Leggera Bullhead. I love this thing, it's just so cool. Also guys, if you are looking for some discounts on some watches, I have discount promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. Look for those in the notes below. And I will have a link for Vescari's site. But today we are going to take a look at the Vescari Chestor. Let's see what we got here. So we got their warranty card, an authenticity card. We've got the watch itself, which I am really digging that blue. Right now this one is on a bracelet, but it looks like this one comes with a strap as well. So that kind of reminds me of like a sailcloth blue with a leather backed, which might be kind of cool just to change it up. Let's go ahead and pull it off the pillow there and take a look at the bracelet itself. So it's got a hidden butterfly. Now though I really like these, the only problem I do have with this style is there's not really any micro adjustments on this one. So you're going to remove whatever links you need, and it could be too tight, too loose. You don't have much adjustment after the fact. But I do really like those buckles, that style clasp. Looking at the back, nice solid end links on that bracelet. Would be nice if it had a quick release, since you do have another strap to swap out, but overall the bracelet itself is really nice. So the Chestor is a 40 millimeter 316L stainless steel case. It has a domed mineral crystal with anti-reflective coating. I really like how much dome is on that crystal. It is a 20 millimeter lug to lug on that one. You can see we've got brushed and polished that I am fingerprinting up all over left and right. Same with the case. We've got brushed and polished going on the case. Mostly a brush case with a polished bezel there. So this one is running the Miyota 6S21 Chronograph Movement. So you can see the chrono starting to work over here. The chrono second hand is the large hand. The main second hand for the watch itself is in the subdial here at the 3 o'clock position. And then we have a 60-minute chrono on the 9 o'clock position. Oh, sorry, been a long day. We've got markers all the way around. Nice chrome. I really am digging that sunburst blue dial on this one. We've got the V on the crown. Now this one does not have a screw down crown. So it's 50 meter water resistant on this one. Take a look at the case back. So we got the model number. Water resistant, 50 millimeter. I actually really like this one. Let's throw it on wrist. It's not sized to me, so we can kind of get an idea on what it'll look like on my roughly 7-inch wrist and how many links. You know, I can usually have a pretty good idea on the links that I would have to remove from one just from looking at it. And I would say I'm pulling out 4 links. Now, 4 links, like I said, might put it too tight or too loose if I only do 3. But the 40 millimeter case on this one fits very nicely on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I am digging the look of the Vescari. There's actually a few different color combos, different bracelet combos. They actually have a lot of different options. Now this one would run you about $238 US, and I do not think that's a bad piece at all for that price point. I mean, that blue looks really, really good. All the indices and the numbers are just nice and clean and simple. And it's a nice chrono for under 250 bucks. Now, normally I would go dark and take a look at the Loom, but as you can see, we don't have any Loom. So that's kind of a bummer a little bit there. But I don't know, there's something about crazy domed crystals on watches that I just think is cool. So I don't know, what do you guys think of that one? I'm always worried I'm going to whack the crystal and have it shatter, but knock on whatever, that has not happened to me yet. I actually really like this one. It's pretty simple, pretty clean, nice chrono. The bracelet's nice. Not too shabby for under 250 bucks. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.